Let's kick things off with Bloxels. This platform will transform your child into a creative game designer. Children will get hands-on learning with creating their own games. From character design to epic boss battles, children build creative confidence by storyboarding their entire game from scratch, understanding animation, pixels, level design, and how to think like a game designer. Bloxels is a great starting point for curious minds wanting to explore their next epic adventure. Next, we have Code Monkey. This award-winning platform offers over 500 learning activities specifically designed with children in mind. Code Monkey offers a variety of fun courses, from computer literacy to Python programming. Children learn by coding the monkey to collect bananas. The courses use a star grading system, and teachers can track and monitor your child's progress. Your child will learn real text-based coding and not just blocks, understanding concepts like syntax, functions, loops, variables, and much more. Our highly trained tutors can assign specific courses to children depending on their learning level. Children find Code Monkey rewarding and fun, all while learning the tools to build a brighter future. Did you know the future of engineering and manufacturing is with 3D printing? Tinkercad is a great entry-level 3D modeling platform whereby children can learn how their favorite toys and models are made, from fidget spinners to flexible dragons. Your child will master the art of 3D modeling, from manipulating shapes to digitally sketching their own ideas. There's no better way to prepare children today for the world tomorrow. Let's dive into your child's favorite movie studio. Pixar and Khan Academy have collaborated to bring you a full course on how movies are made. Your child will learn about frames, rigging, textures, compelling storytelling, and much more. Imagine what your child can dream up with all these tools to help. Each course is broken down into units, making learning engaging and easy to follow. Each unit ends with a practical challenge, just one of many amazing courses on Khan Academy at Code Crazy. Wow, how cool was that? And that's only a snippet of what we offer. There's VR experience, more fun projects, and how the world is moving with AI. Still not convinced? Just check out our 5-star reviews from parents just like yourself. We hope to see your child at our after-school club. Let's shape tomorrow innovators today at Code Crazy.